In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn AutoCAD into light mode. Let's dive right in and make navigating your workspace more comfortable, especially if you prefer brighter interfaces. To start, make sure your AutoCAD application is open and ready. We're going to begin by accessing the Options dialog box. This can easily be done by typing the word Options directly into the command line and pressing Enter. The command line is usually located at the bottom of your screen, acting as the text interface for inputting commands. Once you've hit Enter, a new window will pop up on your screen. This is your Options dialog box, the key to controlling many of AutoCAD's settings. From here, look for the tab labeled Display. This tab contains various settings that pertain to how AutoCAD is presented visually on your system. Within this Display tab, you'll find a section called Window Elements. This is where the magic happens for transforming the overall theme of AutoCAD. In the Window Elements section, you should notice a drop-down menu labeled Color Theme. By default, AutoCAD is likely set to dark mode, which is common because it's easier on the eyes for long periods of work, especially in low-light environments. However, if you prefer a lighter color scheme, this is where you'll make that change. Click on the drop-down menu and select Light from the options presented. Once you have selected the light theme, move to the bottom right of the options window and click the Apply button. This ensures that the changes you've just made are not only adjusted temporarily, but also saved for future use. After that, go ahead and click OK to exit out of the Options dialog and finalize the settings. You'll instantly notice that the user interface shifts from dark to light colors, creating a bright and fresh look that can be more visually appealing if you're working in a well-lit environment or just prefer lighter themes. The icons, toolbars, and panels will all reflect this theme change, providing a cohesive and brighter workspace. If you're someone who enjoys the bright interface but wants to adjust the background of the drawing area itself, be sure to check out our other video dedicated to changing the background color of the drawing area in AutoCAD. It's a great way to further customize your experience and make your work environment just right for you. And there you have it. Quick and simple steps to enjoy a light-themed AutoCAD workspace. Thanks for watching and happy designing.